You know what's slowing down most marketers and business owners right now? Design. You have got amazing content, you have got great products. But when it comes to creating social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or marketing materials, you are stuck. You can't afford to hire a designer for every single post. You don't have time to learn Photoshop and those expensive design tools. Forget it. So what happens? You either post low quality designs that nobody engages with, or you just don't post at all. That's exactly why I'm making this video today. Hey everyone, Nandakishore here. I'm a digital marketer with over 6+ years of experience. I have built hundreds of businesses, create professional designs without hiring expensive designers. Today, I'm going to show you Canva, the tool that completely changed the game for me and for my clients. In the next 15 minutes, you will learn how to create professional looking designs, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentation, ads, and everything you need for your marketing. No design experience needed, no software required, and the best part, it's completely free to start. I personally use Canva every single day for my Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and client works. It saves me hours and thousands of rupees every single month. So if you're ready to finally solve your design problem and start creating content that actually looks professional, let's dive in. First things first, we need a Canva account. Just go to canva.com. You will see sign up at the top right. Click that. You can sign up with your phone number or email address, and you can even sign up with your Gmail account as well. If you choose another way, you have more options to choose from. Go ahead and get yourself a free Canva account. Done. You're now inside Canva. Now Canva also offers a paid plan, but I have specifically chosen the free version because this video is focused on beginners who are just getting started and get to know the basics and features well. And then later you can always go for the paid plan if needed. Anyway, I'll also come up with an in-depth tutorial where I'll be showing the Pro version and its comprehensive features. Alright, let's understand what we are looking at. This is the home page, and this is what you see when you log in. At the top, we have search bar. This is where you search for templates. Want to make an Instagram post? Type Instagram post. Want a presentation? Type presentation. And here at the left sidebar, this has main section. The home page, this is where we are right now. Projects, you can access your saved designs. Templates, where you can access the huge templates for various categories. Canva AI and many more. Now coming on to the main area, we have search box where you can access your recent designs, and here you can access the templates on various categories and Canva AI. If you look at here, we can create a lot more things like presentations, social media posts. This includes post, story, thumbnails for YouTube, and almost everything. You can edit videos. You can even create websites. That's crazy, isn't it? And the best part, Canva set the preferred dimensions for these creatives specific to each social media platforms, which means you can quickly start using it without worrying about choosing the right dimensions. However, you can also create a custom size by clicking here and setting the width and height and choosing the units. I prefer pixels, and click on create new design, and that's going to create a new canvas for you. And you get access to a huge collection of templates with Canva, which means you can create countless designs and marketing materials for your business. Alright, so now you have got a pretty good idea of all the different things you can actually create using Canva. Now let's create our first design. Just click on templates tab, and let's say you want to create an Instagram post. Just search for Instagram post in the search box. That brings us to the template library. Now you can browse through the list of Instagram post templates. You can also add the keyword, let's just say digital marketing, and followed by Instagram post. That way you can get the relevant templates that are related to digital marketing. Now it shows all the different types of post category. If you click on category, then you can choose the specific format you need. Let's click Instagram post. Now you can see only the templates that are meant for Instagram. One thing I do want to mention is that Canva also offers a pro option. The way you recognize them is that it shows this crown icon on some of the templates you see. That means it's only accessible to Canva Pro users. It says upgrade to Canva Business to use this premium template. You may need to upgrade if you want to use this and other premium templates. But since you are just starting out, it's not essential right now. Just experiment with the free version, that's sufficient. Let me click one of these, and the moment you click on it, that brings up this pop-up. You can see the preview of the template. If you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click on this customize this template button. Boom, you are now in the Canva editor. This is where all the magic happens. You click on any of these elements, it highlights like this, and each one of these is an element. If you are familiar with Photoshop, Illustrator or any of such design tools, you know the layer option. So similarly, we have the same in Canva as well. You can access it by simply navigating to the top and click on position and layers. When you hover over any of these elements, on the right side of your design, you can see it highlights. You can move here and there to make it on priority. This is the top layer and all of these are below this. Just like that, you can set the priority where you want your element to be placed. Then you have this arrange option to set the alignment. Let's say if you click on top, apparently it goes to the top. Similarly, if you click on right, it goes to the right. Let's undo. Much useful feature. Let's say if you want to edit this text, you just have to double click on it and type the text you want. If you want to change the font, you can do it from here. You can increase or decrease the size of the font. You can make the text bold, italic, underline or strike through. Change the text case to upper or lower instead of doing it manually. You can set the alignment. Now let's say you want to move the text or shapes. You can do it easily and place it wherever you want. And you may also notice this here. Just click and move either left or right to expand the text element. Similarly, you can change the other text as well. If you see down here with this grid view, you have bird's eye view of all the pages, and this helps when you have multiple designs. You can duplicate the designs by simply pressing Ctrl T, and you can change the order of the design and move it where you want. If you double click on any design, it opens up the full view. And if you see this lets you zoom in or zoom out the design. You can increase or decrease the zoom and see the design in detail. Hey, quick thing, if this tutorial is helping you so far, please do me a favor, hit that like button. It really motivates me to create more useful tutorials like this. And if you want more practical tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now let's say if you want to change the design, you can simply go to this panel over here and click on design. Choose the one you like, or you can search with the keywords and find the templates suitable for your brand or business. Let's say social media marketing, and you get so many options to choose from. If you want to bring these to your canvas, if you click, then you get this pop-up that says add template as new page, replace current page or add as a new page. If you choose this option, it replaces the existing design. If you click this option, then it will be added to a new page. Alright, now let's talk about the most important part, the left sidebar. This is your toolkit. Everything you need to create designs is right here. Let me walk you through each options so you know exactly what they do. Let's click on design. First one at the top, design. I've already shown you this. Click this and you will see thousands of ready-made templates. This is honestly the easiest way to start. Instead of creating from scratch, you pick a template that's already designed professionally and then you just customize it with your own text, images or colors. For beginners, I highly recommend starting with templates. It's faster and your designs will look professional right from the start. Next up, we have elements. If you want to enhance your design, then this is where you get shapes, graphics, grids, forms, sheets, audio, video, charts, so many options to choose from. Basically, if you need to add anything visual to your design, an arrow, a circle, an icon, a photo, you come to elements. Let's say if you want to add a circle, just search for it. You will get hundreds of circle options in shapes, graphics, frames, photos, and more. I'll choose this. And another cool thing is you can add the text inside the circle. And you can change the color of the shape if you wish to. If you want to change it to another shape, let's say square, you can navigate to edit and choose the shape you want. It's instantly changed to square. You can change it to star or speech bubble. And if you want to add a border to your shape, you can do it easily. Just click here and increase the stroke size. You can change the border color as well. If you see this corners option, you can change the number of corner points to make your own shape. You can add curves to your shape edges with this corner rounding option. You can make it triangle, you can make it square. Let's say you can make it 6-point hexagon shape. Cool, isn't it? The third option we have is text. Pretty self-explanatory. right? This is where you add text to your designs. Click it and you'll see options like add a heading, big bold text, add a subheading, medium sized text, add a little bit of body text for smaller paragraph like this. You can also see font combinations. These are pre-designed text layouts that look really good together. Just click one and customize the words as you wish. As I said earlier, this toolbar right here, everything about text, font, size, color, spacing, alignment, you can control it from here. Then we have brand. This is really useful and it's a pro feature. The brand tab is where you can save your brand colors, logos, fonts, photos, graphics, icons, and more. Let's say your brand colors are violet and blue. You can add them here once, and then every time you are designing, you don't have to remember the exact color codes. They're right here. Same with logo. Upload it once to your brand and it's available in logo section. This is super helpful if you are creating content for a business or if you have a personal branding colors. The next one we have uploads. This is where you upload your own images, videos, or audio files. Let's say you got a photo on your phone or computer you want to use in your design. Click upload files, choose your image, and boom, it's now in Canva, ready to use. All your uploaded files stay here so you can reuse them in future designs without uploading again. You can also simply drag and drop your image file onto this canvas and it appears instantly. So that way you can work more efficiently. Now you can place it wherever you wish, or you can make it the background as well. Let's undo this. Next we have projects. This is where all your saved designs live. Every design you create in Canva automatically saves here. So if you created an Instagram post yesterday, you'll find it in projects. You can create folders to organize your work like YouTube thumbnails, Instagram post, client works. Keep everything neat and easy to find. I want to show you another cool feature. Let's navigate to elements and click on frames. If you expand these basic frames, you have a range of different frames to choose from. Simply, I'll just choose a diamond frame. And now here is the best part. I'll go to photos. Here is where you can access stock photos. Keep in mind that not all the photos are free. You see this crown icon, which means it's a pro feature. For instance, I'll search for flowers and I'll just drag and drop onto this frame. Now you can see the photo as embedded onto this frame like a diamond. Cool, isn't it? And this lets you create crazy designs and make it more creative and professional. Alright, if you want to work more efficiently with Canva, then you can make use of Canva's keyboard shortcuts. I'll leave a link to this page in the description box below. You can choose either Windows or Mac OS depending on your computer. Let's say if you want to add a circle, then just click C on your keyboard and apparently it appears on your canvas. Let's try it out. There we go. Or if you want a line, just type L. There we have it. Similarly, R for rectangle. It is very effective, If you want to add a new page, then press Ctrl plus Enter. If you want to remove a page, Ctrl plus Backspace. So it has these basic keyboard shortcuts, elements, text, video, zoom shortcuts, and more. I recommend you take advantage of this helpful shortcuts by Canva to be more productive. Sharing and saving your designs is super simple. Just navigate to the top right corner and click on Share. Now you have multiple options here. You can invite people or groups if you have created one. You can copy this link and share it with others. It's super useful for collaborative work. You and others in your team can work on the same projects. And of course, you can download with different file types. And if you go back, we have more ways to share, save to your PC, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft, and even you can download as PPT file. You can post directly your social media accounts, make sure it should be integrated, send to messaging apps, and many more options as well. And if you prefer to download, here you also have the liberty to choose the specific page if you want to export the designs. Alright, now let me quickly show you Canva AI features. This is what makes Canva super powerful in 2026. Canva has built-in AI tools that can save you tons of time. Let me give you a quick overview of what's available. Let's head over to Canva Homepage and click on Canva AI tab. Here, you can describe what you want. You can create designs, generate images, generate text content for social media, blog posts. You can even generate codes and whatnot. Canva is adding more features. Okay, let's test it out. I want to generate images. Let's say I'll type a girl working with a laptop and click on images and choose the style, smart, and orientation. I'll go with 1:1 square and click submit. And boom, there you have it. It has generated these cool options. You can straight away use it in your designs. And these are really awesome if you see. Now, if you want to write some captions for your social media posts, you have this doc option. Click and type your keyword. Choose the type and submit. It instantly generates caption for you. You can double click and start editing. This is your AI writing assistant. Need help with captions, headlines, or descriptions? Just tell the AI what you need and it writes it for you. Super helpful when you're stuck or need ideas. Now, some of these features are free with limited users per month, and some need Canva Pro for unlimited access. But even with the free version, you get enough to play around and create great designs. Anyway, if you want to see Canva AI's in-depth tutorial, comment below and I'll have a separate tutorial exclusively on Canva AI. Now there are some other useful Canva tools. If you go to Tools tab, you have more additional tools. Lets you draw freehand or on your design using your mouse or stylus. Honestly, I don't use this much unless I'm creating something really creative or need to add handwritten style elements. But it's there if you need it. You also have apps. This gives you access to extra features and integrations. Things like QR code generator, background remover, image upscaler, captions, and integration with other tools. Some of these are free, some need Canva Pro, but there is some really cool stuff here if you explore. Now, once you are familiar with Canva and are able to create good designs, you should upgrade it to Canva Pro to level up your designs. You not only get access to more tools, but also be able to use a wide collection of premium templates, photos, videos, elements, and much more. You don't want to use the free templates and features as you grow and when you have more clients. It's essential to have a premium subscription to provide great designs and output to your clients. As I showed you earlier in this video, these are the ones with the little crown icons. And one of the great features of Canva Pro is that you can easily resize the designs into any dimension, layouts, or formats of your choice. You can also translate it to any other language of your choice. You can also transform your content into docs. Let's say you can change it to a blog post, a presentation outline, LinkedIn post, and more. Other than that, you can create a brand kit for your brand and you can set the logos, colors, fonts, icons, charts. The great advantage of brand kits is that you can upload and set once and reuse it unlimited number of times. The best way to learn Canva is by create something new every day. Try different templates, experiment with colors and fonts. You'll improve fast. That's it. You now know enough Canva to create professional designs. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment telling me what design you're going to create first. Connect with me on Instagram at digital_RNK for more digital marketing tips. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.